at this time is a spiritual thing. You know, I am seeking to really broaden my spiritual aspect of entertainment. If the movie doesn't have a little violent, then they don't watch it.
Well, it's a challenge for me, and I like challenges, you know. Growing up in Jamaica, you know, many things is not really, you know, you can just go out and get it like that, you know. It teaches me to, as a go-getter, to go out and get it for myself. Well, I've walked down 2 of my shoes, like when I was staying in Berkeley, and I have to walk to Raskido's house, you know. I walked every day. Sometimes I never call him. I walk there 3 times and he's not there, and I go back home and then I walk again. But our thing is more improvisation. But at the same time, I would call it a script that was written in our head. You know,
for sure.
You know, the idea was thrown around for a minute, you know, and then, you know, you throw it around in your head for a while, and then you come up with, because the basic idea was already there. We're talking about this man and he murdered somebody, and somebody murdered him, and you work off that, you know.
Yes.
You know,
originally the story came from our brethren's son, you know, who got killed. So we didn't want to really like we're acting the same thing, but something similar.
Yeah,
to
because
what
we don't have the full knowledge of what happened for real. We don't know the circumstance too much that's surrounded. We hear bits and pieces here and there and there, and that's we couldn't use that as we could base it on a true story. But we reenact something that happens, that anybody can relate to, that these things happen for real. But there's somebody out there that this story can just go straight to them. Do you know who is responsible or anybody involved in this murder?
No.
The time has come for us to be strong. I heard the police said Rufus. I wonder if that's Thuggy Rufus. Can't get the right time for when I'm not gun. When the last time Thuggy buy some things for me?
A couple days ago.
You have your backpack on and you're riding your bike. You never drive your car and those same things.
I don't ride a car. Cops track with license plates.
Let's leave this bumbo cloth right just, you know, this low life bumbo where we're selling drugs to kids.
Speak a little English. I'm trying to understand what you're saying.
I walked it up.
Said, we are going to deal with it.
Yeah, you come out of my place. Come out of my place. Big one.
The jug was left behind.
Because we can set this up.
What's up, princess?
People loving people, anything.
Yeah.
Myself together. I don't want to get killed up here, man. All because of a gun. You know?
Stick with ya and you just can't lose.
Wow. Goosebumps. Look, I seen this man. This is the same man.
Because you don't know, we have to get the work done, you know?
You was in my position, a black man in America, you leave too.
Alright, so only solution can stop this revolution. And I said deal with flesh with equality and justice. That's how I deal with all brutality to stop. You know, peace and prosperity to all of my people. I'm say, hearts and minds, man, I win. I mean, no, in a them intimidation thing. Hearts and minds, man, I win. Oh, when I well.
Watch for us coming on soon. Tektive, Episode 2, The Case of Thuggy Rufus. This summer.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
In Jamaica and around the Caribbean and around the world at www.youtube.com/Cindy409. So come along, meet the detectives. They're street detectives. They don't do stuff like you think. They're very unique. And when problems get hard, they reason. They reason. And you learn about reasoning when you listen to this film. So I really want all those people out there who are curious, maybe about solving some problems in a unique way, where you don't necessarily have to resort to violence, even though violence is around. Check it out. It's for you, and it's our pleasure to introduce it to you this summer with marvelous talent, and it may become interactive soon, so send us in your demo reels and demo tapes and your headshots, and just think you might have a role on the next Tektive.
Jack, that's the first.
Bless.